What's good, everyone? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got the OnePlus 6T on deck, T-Mobile variant. Yeah, I was a little impatient. I should have ordered it, got the unlocked version, but it doesn't make a difference. This is going to get paid off. This is going to get unlocked in 45 days anyway, so that's neither here nor there. But I'm here to unbox it. You've probably seen it. There's nothing I can show you that you haven't seen in another video. This is pretty much just letting you know that it is on the channel. Unlock the speed. On the back, 4G LTE capable, Snapdragon 845. It does have an AMOLED 6.4-inch display. The same cameras as on the last 16 megapixel, 20 megapixel dual camera. Does have a 3700 milliamp battery. Fast charging. They're not allowed to use the word dash charging anymore because of some type of legal implications, but hey, we all know what it is. Does have 128 gigabytes on board, the 8 gigs of RAM, and it is Android Pie out the box. Unboxing knife. Nice. Woo. Slightly different fit to this phone as far as the curvatures of it in comparison to the last one. A little thicker than the 6. Also, a little note, this phone does come with its own screen protector. Do not remove it unless you're planning on using it without a screen protector, or if you plan on buying a screen protector, you have to make sure that it's OnePlus approved for the fingerprint sensor to work. There's a particular type of screen protector that OnePlus wants you to use if you plan on protecting that screen so the in-display fingerprint sensor will work. So letting you know that ahead of time. Get rid of all these little stickers on the back. Yeah, this is real nice. I like this. I'm gonna really enjoy this. Let's boot it up. Real quick though, before I boot it up, you do have your front-facing camera on there. You do have your toggle, your silent to vibrate toggle on the side with a power button, volume rockers on the left side. On the bottom, there's no 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, so that's gone. The reason behind it supposedly being gone was to make room for the components that's needed to actually work the in-display fingerprint sensor. Also, whether people know it or not, there is a tiny speaker at the top. So it does have dual speakers, but the speaker at the top is somewhat below the quality that we would like or look for in a dual speaker phone. But at the same time, OnePlus can still lay claim that they do have a dual speaker phone. One bottom firing speaker, and like I said, if you're into that dongle life, OnePlus provides you that. So let's check out the inside of the box. It does come with a case and the usual books and pamphlets and stuff that nobody reads. Nice cable with the cable management clips. Always a good thing from OnePlus. Inside you see the dongle and the fast charge, but we all know what that is. So that's basically it. But they do give you a case, which is real cool. I like how they do that. It's a nice thing to protect your investment until you can get your hands on some other items or some things that you know, people have their favorite cases and items they like to use with their phone, and it's nice that OnePlus do provide you a temporary case while you're waiting on your stuff to get to you. Check out the boot animation, see if there's anything different. Oh, they gave you a T-Mobile boot up. So you got a different boot. Nice build. You can see the OnePlus logo has been slightly moved up in comparison to the 6. Looks kind of weird without having a fingerprint button back there. And like I said, the dual cameras, 16 and 20. And the front facing camera, I think this is a 5. I'm normally up on my stats, but I pretty much picked this phone up from work and haven't brushed up on everything. So that pretty much does it for the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead, get this phone loaded up with my information on it. And hopefully in a little while, maybe 48 hours, I give you my impressions. First 48 hours of the OnePlus 6T. But until then, that pretty much does it. Thanks guys for stopping by, checking out my unboxing. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe, help a brother out. And don't forget to comment also. Again, thanks, and I catch everybody in the next one.